Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Clip Studio Pen tutorial how to use keyframes. So we'll active for the timeline, and as example you can draw rectangle, and I will set for the color to blue color. Now we'll create for new timeline. You can click these icons, new timeline, and we use the default frame. Click OK. After it, if you want to add keyframe, you can click this icon, enable keyframe on this layer, and then click again these icons to add the keyframe. The next, I will move to the 5, and then we can move the objects by using the moving tools to here. It will be automatically add the keyframe. Okay, I will click again in number 9, and then move against the object to this point. And if you play, it will be create the animations with the 3 keyframe. Okay, that's it for basic Clip Studio Pen tutorial how to use keyframes.